Meet Mirage. This 30-weight rayon thread is a standout choice if you're looking for a unique variegated thread. Mirage is random space dyed, meaning that the color changes at random intervals, making each spool different. Since Mirage is a rayon thread, it also has a beautiful sheen that will add depth and dimension to your stitches. Mirage is ideal for decorative quilting, decorative stitching, embroidery, and thread painting, adding flair and character to any project. Mirage also runs extremely well in a Sashiko machine, and adds a unique look when compared to standard cotton with its stunning luster and softness. When working with Mirage, we recommend using Decobob in the bobbin. Decobob is our 80-weight 2-ply cottonized polyester thread. It is a great bobbin thread and is extremely lightweight, yet strong, and pairs beautifully with Mirage in the top. It is important to always do test stitches prior to starting your project. This is especially important when working with Mirage, as it can look much different on the spool than it does stitched out. This is due to its random dyed nature. When choosing a variegated thread, the best way to see the color is to look at the top of the spool rather than the side. This will give you the most accurate idea of what the color will look like when stitched out. Rayon threads are slippery and can unravel easily, making them a bit trickier to work with. Using the right tools can make all the difference. We recommend using a WonderGuard, Ultimate Thread Dispenser, or Thread Tamer when working with rayons. These tools will help to control the rayon thread and make for a more consistent feed into the machine. Check out the linked videos in the description box below to learn more about these WonderFil sewing notions. Our rayon threads can be washed and ironed with care as they are shrink resistant, but we don't recommend using Mirage on projects that need to be washed often. It is better suited for art quilts, wall hangings, or other decorative purposes. If you do need to wash a project with rayon thread, we always recommend using a delicate cycle. Mirage is also color fast, so the color will not run or fade over time, increasing the longevity of any project. Those are the basics on Mirage. We hope that you found this video helpful and that it inspired you to try out Mirage on your next project. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.